Sabe, baye, babi, bongo.
Hey beautiful people, Madam Sophie here again to do another tutorial. This tutorial is going to be a bit interesting. On Instagram, I really get inspired with a series of makeup looks, and I decided to take Princess Bella's look and kind of do an inspiration of it. It's not going to come out the exact way, but I am definitely moved by this look because it's natural. You get a mixture of gold tones in there. It's pretty, and you just have this really bold red lip to it, and it has this really cute head tie with it. So I'm really inspired by this look and how it turned out. So I'm going to be looking at Princess Bella's. This is Princess Bella's photo. I'm basically going to do a makeup tutorial that is inspired by this look. She is also on Instagram. I think she's Princess Bella on Instagram. She is Princess Bella on YouTube. I'm also subscribed to her channel on YouTube, and I really like the way her makeup turns out. The way she does her makeup, she's not afraid to use bold colors. She blends in those colors real quick, and she knows how to rock that makeup and slay that makeup on her face. Okay, so I'm going to jump right into the tutorial, and I'll be basically and I'll show you guys what products I'm using. This video is going to be a bit lengthy because it's going to be from beginning to end. Try as much as possible to work through it real quickly, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to come up with Princess Bella's inspired look from beginning to end. For brows today, I'm going to use a combination of the ABH Dipbrow Pomade in Soft Brown and a mixture of the e.l.f. Lock On a liner and brow cream in the color Espresso. I'm basically going to use the soft brown color to fill in my brows, and I'm going to use the Espresso color by e.l.f. Cosmetics to kind of line up everything. To carve my brows, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Mocha for the top. In addition to my Urban Decay makeup palette, I am also going to go ahead and use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is the very first Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to go ahead and use it, and I'm basically using it just so that I could get some more options in terms of bold tones as well as the yellow tones. So I'm going to first start off with this yellow color right here. It's more like a mustard looking color, and I think it's called Creamsicle. So I'm going to use this color, and then I'm going to blend in and add in other stuff. believe in Princess Bella's in her video when she did this look on YouTube, she used the Fenty Beauty Moroccan eyeshadow palette, but I do not have that eyeshadow palette. So this is why I am kind of improvising. So don't come for me if it does not look exactly like us. In fact, this is not a tutorial to make my look exactly like Princess Bella's. I just really love the way her look came out. I really love the gold and bronze undertones that was used in her look. So that is why I'm really looking forward to doing something like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the Naked eyeshadow palette. I am first going to start off with this color, which is called Half Baked. I'm going to go ahead and use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow foundation, and this is what I'm going to use for my face. I am really looking for a natural glowy look, just like Princess Bella's own. So this is why I'm using this foundation. Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Deep Sand, and I'm just going to do a few drops of these, a few dots of these, and then I'm going to also use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Mocha, because I really want these colors. I really want my look to be as natural as possible. And I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer for the rest of this look. I'm going to use a CoverGirl translucent powder in the color Honey. This is what I'm going to use, and I'm basically using this color simply because I'm using this setting powder simply because it gives that glow when you use it. It doesn't give a matte finish. So this is why I'm using this powder today. set my under eye area, I am going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 30. This is what I'm going to use just for my under eye area. Just so that everything blends in very well, I am going to go back in the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to use that maroon color and blend it underneath my eye area. For contour today, I'm going to use the ABH Cosmetics Studio Pro Contour palette. This is what I'm going to use to contour, and I'm going to use my regular brush. I'm going to do a mixture of these two colors for contouring. I'm going to go ahead and use this palette today for blush. I am going to start off with this color right here. These two colors. That's what I'm going to use for blush. This is my version of Princess Bella's look. She looked amazing in this look, and I was just so moved by the golds and the rhinestones, and her look was amazing, and I really tried to recreate it, and this is what I came up with, and I am so satisfied. Let me give you guys a close up. Okay guys, so that's it for today. This is the look I was able to come up with. I used a variety of products. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette as well as the Naked palette. In addition to that, I did use the Trophy Wife highlighter from Fenty Beauty. I also went ahead and used the NYX holographic finishing powder. And for foundation today, since I was going for something that was glowy, I went ahead and I used the L'Oreal Paris Paris Pro Glow palette, and I did set that up with the Covergirl Loose Finishing Powder in the color Translucent Honey. And lips is gonna be Fenty Beauty lip paint. Brows are gonna have to be Anastasia Beverly Hills and ELF Lock On liner and brow cream. And I'm really loving this look. I am really loving this look. So tell me what you guys think about this look in the comment section. I'm trying to get to 250 subscribers, and when I get to 250 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So please stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I'd really appreciate it if you like, comment, share, and subscribe my videos. And also, I am really looking forward to you guys following me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. So if you haven't followed me as yet, please go on and follow me. I don't only promote my makeup looks on my social media platforms. I also like empowering people. I also like motivating people. And you will not just see beauty pictures or makeup pictures on my social media profiles. You will also see a collection of motivating quotes. You will also see messages or comments that I make that are motivating to me. Okay, so this is what my channel is about. It's not about just hair and makeup. It's about lifestyle as well, and also empowering, helping people out, upliftment. Okay, I don't want to be tearing anyone down. And I mean, despite the fact that yes, some people come on here to tear me down, but oh well. I'm not about tearing people down, okay? I am about uplifting people, and this is what I do. If you follow my social media profiles, you will see that. You'll not just see makeup, or hair. You will see uplifting comments. You will see uplifting messages, okay? So this is it. That is it for today. I am happy that I did it. I was able to successfully come up with something looking like Princess Bella's look, and I am just so happy with the way this look really gives a goddess looking glow, and I'm just so thankful for it. Okay, my hair tie does not look tie does not look anything like Princess Bella's, but oh well, I did a hair tie and it looks good. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for your continuous support. I hope that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and that bell to be part of the Sophy-yas squad. And links to my social media profiles are going to be in the description box. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for your constant support here on YouTube. Thank you for encouraging me and being part of my journey here on YouTube. I'm trying to get to 250 subscribers so that I can do a giveaway. So I'm really looking forward to that, and with your help, I can really see that happening. And don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be Sophie. Don't forget to be you. And I hope that you have a fantastic and fabulous day. Till then, bye, honey.